Let's start. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth with the sound ha, releasing all the tension, stress, worries. Again, second time, inhale through nose and exhale through mouth with the sound ha. Third time, inhale through nose and exhale with the sound ha. Focus on your breathing. Feel the ground beneath you. अपने पैरों के नीचे से below the feet रूट्स को नीचे की तरफ जाता हुआ विजुअलाइज कीजिए, जैसे किसी ट्री की रूट्स अर्थ के अंदर जाती हैं. Grounding, this is called grounding technique. So just focus on your breathing and feel the roots are going down deep into the mother earth. Imagine these roots are growing and going down deep into the earth, anchoring you firmly. Now, envision a warm, bright light. आपके head के ऊपर से एक दिव्य रोशनी, pure white light, like the rays of sun, is entering into you and dissolving all the negativities within you. So, close your eyes, focus on your breathing. Let this unconditional love of divine enters into you. Bring into your mind, अपनी मन की आंखों से अपनी फैमिली के हर मेंबर को विजुअलाइज कीजिए. Father, mother, other family members, siblings, your spouse, any other. Just visualize your family in front of you. Feel कीजिए the moments of joy and sorrow you spend with them in this year 2024. Year 2024 में उनके साथ जो भी आपका उनके साथ बिहेवियर रहा हो या उनका आपके साथ, just visualize it. Let it set the intention. I am responsible for all that I stored within me. I'm ready to release. I'm ready to forgive. I'm ready to set myself free. Now, hands on your heart. Focus on your breathing. अपने फादर के फेस को सामने देखिए. It hardly matters whether he is alive or not. Just visualize him in front of you. Close your eyes. Focus on breathing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for holding anger for you many times in this year. जाने अनजाने कभी मैंने आपके लिए गुस्सा अपने अंदर स्टोर करके रखा होगा. I'm really sorry for that. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. शायद मैंने कभी आपकी पेन को समझा नहीं होगा. I didn't understand from the pain which you are feeling. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my dear dad, father, पापा, जो भी आप उन्हें बुलाते हैं, उनसे बात कीजिए. आज अपनी फीलिंग्स उनसे शेयर कीजिए. I'm sorry for holding resentment, hurt. I'm sorry for all the hurt I caused to you. मेरी वजह से आपको अगर कोई hurt पहुंचा है, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for judging you. I'm sorry for misunderstanding your struggles. आपका जो भी behavior रहा है, वो शायद आपके struggles की वजह से है. I didn't understand. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for not seeing you as a human. कभी कभी मैंने आपसे कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्सपेक्ट किया है. आपको एक ह्यूमन बीइंग समझे बिना, एक बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल फील किया है। आई एम रियली सॉरी। आई एम सॉरी फॉर द डिस्टेंस दैट ग्रू बिटवीन अस। आई एम सॉरी। Please forgive me. Please forgive me for all my expectations. Please forgive me for all my judgment. Please forgive me. Thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you. Thank you for giving me life. Thank you. Thank you for all the lessons, both easy and challenging. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for doing your best with what you knew. मैं आज इस बात को समझती हूँ, आपने अपने एंड पे बेस्ट किया है, जो भी आपके लिए पॉसिबल था। Thank you so much for helping me grow. I love you, my dear dad, father, papa, जो भी आप बुलाते हो। I love you. I love you as you are, for everything you have done. I love you. I love you. I love you for the connection we share. I love you for the parts of you I may not understand. I love you. And I choose peace. You are free. So am I. Feel the forgiveness within you. Feel this divine light is dissolving all the happiness, all the dizziness, all the heaviness within you. Any negative moments of 2024 with your father is dissolving right now. Feel it. Visualize it. अपनी माइंड आई में अपने फादर को हक कीजिए। Say to him, I love you. From bottom of my heart, I love you. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth with a sound. Again, hand on your heart. Let's go for forgiveness with your mother. Bring your mother in your mind's eye. अपनी आंखों के आगे अपनी आंखों को बंद रखेंगे। क्लोज योर आईज, फोकस ऑन योर ब्रीदिंग और अपनी मदर को अपने सामने विजुअलाइज कीजिए, वेदर अलाइव और नॉट। सी हर फेस, सी हर प्रेजेंस, एनी मेमोरीज दैट कम अप। जो भी आपके माइंड में उनसे रिलेटेड नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव जो भी मेमोरीज आ रही हैं, जस्ट विजुअलाइज इट। आई एम सॉरी मॉम, मदर, अम्मा, मम्मी, जो भी आप उन्हें बुलाते हैं। आई एम सॉरी माई डियर मदर। आई एम सॉरी। आई एम सॉरी फॉर होल्डिंग ऑन टू हर्ट। आई एम सॉरी। जाने अनजाने बहुत बार कुछ बातें हो जाती हैं। मैंने अपने अंदर हर्ट को फील किया, आपके लिए हर्ट को दबाए रखा। आई एम सॉरी। I'm sorry for not understanding you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not giving you enough time when it is needed. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, Mom. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all my actions that cause you pain. मेरी वजह से अगर आपको कोई हर्ट, कोई पेन पहुंचा है, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me for any misunderstandings. Please forgive me. जाने अनजाने कभी मैंने आप पे शाउट किया होगा, कभी आपको अपना एंगर दिखाया होगा, कभी आपकी बात से सेटिस्फाई ना हो, कभी इरिटेशन, कभी फ्रस्ट्रेशन शो की होगी। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी फॉर ऑल मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी फॉर माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस। शायद मैं ये भूल गई, आप भी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं, आपसे भी गलती हो सकती है। Please forgive me for the moments I failed to understand you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me for the times I didn't show you love. And forgive you. I forgive you for any pain or neglect that you may have caused to me. आपकी तरफ से अगर मेरी तरफ कोई पेन या नेग्लेक्ट मैंने फील किया है, I forgive you. We both are learning. I release the chains of blame, guilt, and shame. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for your unconditional love. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you for your care. Thank you. Even though I hurt you, you still care for me. Thank you. Thank you for many sacrifices you made for me. Thank you. I love you, Mom. I love you deeply and unconditionally. I love you for all that you are. I love you for all that you have done. जो भी आप हो, जो भी आपने मेरे लिए किया है, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel कीजिए divine light from the top is entering between you and your mother, dissolving all the negativities, all the pain. Feel it, visualize it. Hug your mom and say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth with the sound ha. Let's do forgiveness with your siblings. अगर आपका कोई सिबलिंग नहीं तो आप किसी को भी सोच सोचिए अपने ब्रदर, अपनी सिस्टर को अपने सामने सोचिए या जिस किसी को भी आप अपने सामने देखना चाहते हैं, जिस किसी के साथ भी आपको लगता है फॉरगिवनेस की जरूरत है, just think that person in front of you. Feel जो भी आपके साथ 2024 में हुआ है, कुछ अच्छा, कुछ बुरा, कुछ जॉय, कुछ हैप्पीनेस, कुछ सैडनेस, कुछ नेगेटिव मोमेंट्स, कुछ पॉजिटिव मोमेंट्स. Just recall all those. Bring in your mind's eye. Feel the emotion towards the memories. जो भी memory इनसे connected आपके मन में आ रहे हैं, feel that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for any hurtful words. जाने अनजाने मैंने आपको hurt किया हो सकता है. मेरे wording से unknowingly आप hurt हुए हो सकते हैं. I'm really sorry for all that. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my dear brother, sister. उनका नाम जो भी आप उन्हें बुलाते हैं, प्यार से वो नाम लीजिए. I'm sorry for any hurtful actions, knowingly या unknowingly. अगर कभी मुझसे कोई ऐसा एक्शन हो रहा है जिसने आपको हर्ट किया है या हम दोनों के बीच कोई डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया है, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for any misunderstanding. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I release whatever all grudge, anger, irritation, pain, hurt towards you. जो भी मेरे अंदर इस समय आपके लिए फीलिंग, I take full responsibility of this feeling and I release it today. I release it so that I enjoy happy relationships in coming year. I release any grudge. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Any anger. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Any irritation, pain, hurt, जो भी हम दोनों के बीच रहा हो इस ईयर में, आई एम सॉरी. प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. प्लीज फॉरगिव मी फॉर मोमेंट्स ऑफ एंगर. कभी मैंने आपके ऊपर गुस्सा दिखाया हो. आई एम सॉरी. प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. थैंक यू. आई लव यू. कभी जजमेंट फॉर जजमेंट जिसने हमारे बीच अगर कहीं कोई डिस्टेंस क्रिएट किया है. आई एम सॉरी. प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. थैंक यू. I love you. I'm sorry for useless comparisons. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for not forgetting happy, not forgetting negative memories. पुरानी बातों को, किसी भी बात पे अगर कोई नेगेटिव मोमेंट आया है उसे बार बार रिकॉल किया, knowingly or unknowingly. I am sorry for all that. Please forgive me. Thank you for the bond. Thank you for the moments, happy moments we share together. कभी तो हमने भी अच्छे moments share किए. Thank you for that share. Thank you for the happy memories we have created together. Thank you universe. Thank you God for all those happy memories. Thank you for the lessons we have learned together. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel कीजिए divine light like the rays of sun entering into both of you and dissolving any negativity and create peace, love, harmony in relationships. Feel it, visualize it. Inhale through nose and exhale with a sigh. Let's do forgiveness with our spouse. If you are unmarried, you can take anyone else. Bring the person into your mind's eye. उन्हें अपनी आंखों के सामने विजुअलाइज कीजिए. उनके फेस को देखिए, उनकी प्रेजेंस को फील कीजिए. एंड द बॉन्ड यू शेयर. मे बी थोड़ी बहुत फाइट हुई होगी, थोड़ा लव हुआ होगा. Just allow all the emotions, both joyful and painful, to arise. Now repeat with me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the times I hurt you. Knowingly, unknowingly, मेरे शब्दों ने, मेरे एक्शंस ने कभी आपको हर्ट किया हो सकता है. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for the moment of heat, for the moment of fight. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry if you have any complaints towards me. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for all the excessive expectations. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. If any fear comes between us, I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me for my mistakes, for any misunderstanding. हमारे रिलेशनशिप में अगर कभी भी कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई है, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for the times I didn't meet your needs. हो सकता है आपको कुछ ऐसा चाहिए हो जो मैंने समझा ना हो. I'm sorry. कुछ मुझे ऐसा चाहिए जो आप समझ ना पाए. I release all the hurt and pain towards you. I release all anger, all irritation, all over expectations towards you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you for the love we have, we share. Thank you. For many times, you show your patience. Thank you. Thank you for choosing to walk this journey of life with me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. हम दोनों साथ हुए हैं, कुछ ना कुछ लेसन्स हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे से लिए हैं. थैंक यू फॉर द टीचिंग्स. थैंक यू फॉर मूविंग टुगेदर. बहुत से मोमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो हमने एक साथ एंजॉय किए हैं. वेकेशंस, हॉलीडेज, हैप्पीनेस, जॉय. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दोस. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God, for all those happy moments of my life. I love you. I love you deeply. I love you unconditionally. I love you for who you are. I love you for all that we share. And I release any negativity within our relationship. Feel the light of forgiveness and love wrapping around both of you, healing any wounds and strengthening your connection. Feel this, visualize this. Visualize your entire family in front of you now. Surrounded by a bright, healing light. जैसे सन की रेज हमारे ऊपर आती है, a divine, pure white light, dissolving any darkness, any anger, any misunderstanding between us. Say along with me, I release. I release the pain. I release the anger. I release the misunderstandings. I forgive you. And I forgive myself. May we all be free. Feel your heart grow lighter. जैसे यहाँ से कुछ black smoke निकल के बाहर जा रहा हो. Releasing and let go all the negativities of the year 2024. Hands on your heart and say along with me, I choose peace. I choose love. I choose to move forward with a clear heart. Deep breathe. Slowly अपनी eyes को open करेंगे. Inhale through nose and exhale out. Let's do this affirmation. I'm at peace with my father, my mother, my siblings, my spouse, and myself. I let go of the past and embrace the future with love and harmony. Thank you so much for joining. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.